taking the baby on little walkies around the neighboring neighborhoods so that she can get familiar with the smells, so that when we do take her on walks after her parvo shots, she's not too crazy. That's a treat. Every time she stands, we throw a treat in there so that she finds it and thinks, oh, it's exciting. I should stay in the wagon and not try to jump out, because she's tried to jump out a couple times. She's falling asleep.
You probably need to go to the bathroom, huh?